Yo, 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 yo. Welcome. I decided to go live on YouTube instead of my Facebook as usual. How y'all doing, family? How y'all doing? All right, so let's get down to business. This video is how to get business credit fast. We need to get business credit real fast. Hey, y'all. Yo, 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 yo. It's your favorite black girl magic master, Master Chiquila Richardson, Black Girl Magic Masters LLC.com. So I do this for all my girls in business because I really don't like y'all's video content or how y'all give it. So I decided to do it myself. Be the change I seek. Well, so anyway, let's get to business. Hey, family! So listen. I don't want you, and you got your new business, you started. I don't want you to wait until your business is, I guess, in your mind, on the road. Till your business is evolving. I don't want you to wait till that point to start getting your funding ready. Don't wait to get your funding ready. If you got a business started, it's time to do this now. And let me just say, it is so hot outside. I can't do my normal videos outside. But anyway, I digress. So anyway, one of the easiest ways to start off on the right foot with your business is that you got to build some business credit. And a great way to do that is to get a net 30 account. And with companies, a net 30 account is a company that reports to their commercial activities and commercial credit to credit agencies. So basically, you pay on time and you build your credit. And that'll help just boost your business credit score. All right, so listen. What is a net 30 account? A net 30 account it's an account that extends you a 30-day opportunity to pay them back in full the amount that you were charged, right? So it's a vendor's credit. And that allows you to buy and pay things later. And you want to have vendor credit as you get, you definitely want this. So anyway, I digress because I was about to start talking about something wholly different. But anyway, here's a simple way to get started if your business is young and if it isn't making a lot of money yet. So vendor trade credit. Vendor credit lets you purchase goods or services from suppliers and vendors and then pay it later. It's a great way to maintain your cash flow and to build your business credit history over time, okay? So a net 30 account is one that gives you 30 days to pay your bill back in full after you purchase the products. It's vendor's credit that allows you to buy now and pay later. Net 30 vendors that report those payments to commercial credit agencies help your company establish a strong business credit history. So vendor trade credit is not just limited to the net 30 accounts either, because some vendors offer a net 15, which is 15 days to pay, a net 60, which is 60 days to pay, or even a net 90, which, 90-day credit terms. You'll agree to whatever they are willing to offer and establish those terms on your purchase order. So make sure to read the fine print to ensure you understand that, your payment terms. If it's net 15, net 30, net 60, net 90, understand what it is. So where do you find these vendors? Well, I'm going to give you about 5 vendors that give you business credit in seconds here. But first, we got to talk about some first things first. Black Girl Magic Masters is in business to help you fill up any gaps so that you can become certifiable. To help you fill up anything, to help you do the essential steps that make sure your business is viewed as being legitimate. Yes, Black people, just because you started a business don't mean that it looks legitimate. Everybody can be in business, but you want to be legitimate, right? So If you don't take the time to set up your business properly, you will not get approved for trade credit. So literally, if we need to go ahead and start getting you together, as far as getting you together, because what I recommend is that if you're going to go for funding and credit and everything, first of all, have a business bank account. I mean, well, okay, wait a minute. First of all, have an EIN number, because that's the business's social security number. So your business is a person. This is my business is a business hospital, but consider your business or look at your business as a person. So you need to have its social security number, okay? Once you got your business's social security number, you need a home for your business, and that's your business bank account. You need to take your baby to their home so that it can start the process to grow. And then once you get your baby home, we got to make sure the baby's protected with really good, loving parents and surrounding it. So that's good in business insurance. So what we're going to do, we're not even going to do insurance now, but first of all, I do want you to have your EIN number, and I do want you to have your business bank account before you start trying to get business credit. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it straight. Let's do this right. So anyway, make sure you have, it's called a DUNS number, a DUNS number, okay? And it's used to identify your company in a commercial credit reporting agency. So it's called the Dun and Bradstreet database. So I want y'all to behoove you to go to the DUNS numbers or the Dun and Bradstreet numbers, and that way you will know what I'm talking about. While you can always purchase items from these vendors and pay with the credit card at the time of purchase, that doesn't help you build business credit. We're talking about building business credit for young credits or businesses that are struggling with money right now. So that's what we're talking about right now. And you need to purchase on credit for business credit through a vendor, period, point blank. So let's talk about some of the companies that do help you do this process really quickly, hence the reason why this is titled How to Get Your Business Credit Fast. Now, keep in mind, if you got poor personal credit, I'm going to need you to get that together, because that is going to be actually monitored. They're going to look at that as well. So we got to do some things fast, and this is what your girl, Master Shaquila, suggests. So once you get business credit, well, first of all, let's get your personal credit together. Allow yourself 6 months to fix or repair your personal credit. Please. I'm just asking. That's just a Black Girl Magic Master ask. Please work on your personal credit for 6 months. And that means paying off all your creditors or whatever, getting it all away, getting no balances, getting to a real live nice spot, and then using it again. Because you don't just pay off these credit cards and then stop and put it away for 6 months and think that you build good credit. No. Literally pay it off and then use it immediately, and keep using it and keep using it. That way you can build up your personal credit fast, as well as how you start to build up your business credit. So then, first of all, there's like 3 companies that will give you business credit and that they report directly to, like Dun & Bradstreet and Equifax. And you want creditors that are reporting, or you want vendors that report your credit activity. This is the whole point of this. This makes you look good. It helps you get bigger loans and bigger credit later on down the line, young businesses. So anyway, so we got Granger, we got Uline, and we got Quill. Now, Granger offers a large variety of products for businesses, and that's including tools, plumbing supplies, and safety equipment. They also offer office and janitorial supplies. Well, hey, now that's dope. The good thing about this, signing up for Granger account is free. It's easy. And you can create your online account to store shipping or invoicing details. But you'll need to call 1-800-GRANGER to set up your line of credit. Granger reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So then we had Uline. Now, Uline also offers a variety of products your business may need. Here, let me grab it. Let me see what you said. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is Uline. And here's a Uline book. So that's a Uline book. These bad boys are thick, okay? And they will send them to you regularly. But inside of it, it has a lot of little different things that your business could possibly use. Me, I needed some file cabinets. I needed some writing boards, some dry erase boards. I needed some things. So this is what the Uline also, okay? Then we have Quill. Okay, so the thing about now, once you're approved for Uline, you'll shop for supplies that your business needs, then check out and choose net 30 billing as your payment option. Okay, choose the net 30 billing as your payment option. Pay on time or even early payments, and you'll have another credit building account under your belt. So, like Granger, this account is considered quite easy to get, so you don't need to submit your Social Security. Isn't that awesome? Your Social Security number and your personal credit scores won't be checked, which is pretty good. So Uline reports to Dun& Bradstreet and Experian. So then we go on, and another place to get. Let me just say this about Quill. Once you find what you want to buy, you add it to your cart, you proceed towards the checkout, and you'll see the payment option called Invoice My Account. If approved, you'll get net 30 terms on your invoice. And according to Quill, approval can take 1 to 2 hours during business hours or up to a business day if you apply outside the normal business hours, which are Monday through Friday. And similar to the other two vendors mentioned, Uline and Granger, you don't need to provide a Social Security number. Quill will qualify your business address before extending terms. So again, most business owners who have properly set up their businesses should find it to be an easy process. And Quill also reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So another great company is Summa Office Supplies. It's a 30-day vendor who reports to credit bureaus, but you can shop for paper, folders, envelopes, labels, and any other office supplies your company might need, and to open your line of credit. So the great thing about Summa is that they offer credit for both new and well-established businesses, and they'll provide written trade credit references upon request. So you pay your bill on time, and then you can request larger credit lines. And Summa reports to Experian and Equifax business credits. So, and in order to open your line for them, you just fill out an application at their website link and put in the code SOSNAV and the referral code field. And you'll thank me later. That put in the code SOSNAV in all caps, SOSNAV in the referral code field. You'll thank me later. Also, another great company is Crown Office Supplies. They offer a wide variety of office supplies along with a robust credit report. See, they offer a wide variety of items and business owners need, and from basics like stationery all the way to computers. So they work with brand new businesses as well as those that are more established. But Crown Supplies reports to all major commercial credit reporting. So Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax, Credit Safe, SBFE, and the NACM. And there's a $99 annual fee, which may be waived for businesses with excellent business credit. And the annual fee is reported to the credit bureaus as well, which can also supplement the business credit history, which is dope, right? Y'all feeling me on this. Dope. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about our favorite people, NAV or NAV. NAV isn't technically a net 30 vendor, but paying your bill every 30 days for one of NAV's paid plans, the Business Boost or the Business Loan Builder, you can help build business credit by establishing a new trade line with Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax. You can automate your payments so you never miss one. And if you want to track your progress of you building your business credit. You don't even want but you don't want to commit to a monthly plan. You can always check your business credit score for free on nav.com. So you guys are so welcome. Let me just reiterate some things because I don't know if y'all listen to me, but it is important that you do not run up debt and you pay interest to build business credit via net 30 vendors. Most vendor payment terms allow you to purchase items and then put basically pay them off in full by the due date on vendor invoices to avoid interest. And you may even get early payment discounts if you pay before the due date. So that's perfectly acceptable when it comes to building business credit. Also, it's also worth noting that the credit limits typically do not appear on these reports. So instead of the highest recent balance will be reported. So if you spend a very small amount, you may not see the same impact as you will if you make a larger purchase. Okay? The little small purchases is small. So you don't want to fall into the trap of buying things your company does not need. But if you do need more expensive items, consider getting them from companies that will report the transaction to the credit bureaus or wherever possible so that you can get the added benefit of building credit. Okay? And unlike personal credit, the names of your vendors will not appear on your business credit report. Instead, they will be reported as a business type, such as packaging. So keep track of which accounts you have opened and when you opened them. And you may need to match that to your credit reports if you're unsure which account is coming from which vendor. So also keep in mind that not every vendor reports to all major business credit bureaus. So if you're going to work with a vendor, ask and see who do they report their credit reporting activities to, because you need that. You need that so you can build good credit history. It cannot be emphasized enough. You pay early when possible, but unlike with personal credit, you can only go online to pay your account, and you have your payment credited the same day. It may take longer for payments for vendors to be processed. So if you mail in your payment, do so at least a week before the due date to ensure your credit report reflects on-time payments, because late payments can negatively impact your business credit score and credit history. It could damn near take 2 years to take something off your credit report. I'm allowed one cuss word per video. So anyway, and it may take a month or two or even two before you even see one of these accounts show up on your business credit report. Let me just put that out there. So you just got to be patient. You got to monitor your credit. And if it doesn't appear in your payment history by the third month after you've opened it, contact the vendor to make sure it was properly associated with your business and to confirm it will be reported with at least one of the 3 business credit reporting agencies. And it's also worth noting that new accounts sometimes have the effect of lowering business credit scores. And this is usually temporary, and over time, you should see a positive impact as you pay on time. So once you've established a business credit file, make sure you're doing your part to build your credit history. And if you apply for business credit cards or loans, lenders or card issuers, they're looking at your on-time payment history. How much credit you have available versus how much have you used, and your business credit profile and score. All of these factors go into whether the credit application will be approved, as well as the payment terms for the offer of a loan. So if it's in your business's best interest to work with a net 30 vendor to build that credit. And if you can't work with the vendor that reports the business credit, NAV's business report and business loan builder plans, they feature trade lining. So they'll literally trade line report, which over time may help build a stronger business credit. You need that business credit profile, and that's on everything. So let's just reiterate one more time. You want to make sure you've been working on your personal credit as well. You want to pay on time, and you want to pay often. You want to use this credit card often. For our net 30 vendor accounts, there's 3 of them that will report directly to credit bureaus and really help you establish your credit business profile. So that was Granger, that was Quill, that was Uline. And then, you had three others that were really kind of like very, very effective new ways to keep on top of your credit. So I hope that this has been informational, you guys, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace. This has been a Black Girl Magic Masters production.